Hey guys, what's going on? Mike here. I'm filming this right now with the iPhone 15 Pro Max in Apple ProRes lock, which is insane to see how this works. I put a dongle on it with the microphone hooked in. Then I charge the phone over the USB-C as well, and there is an SSD T5 from Samsung on it because it's recording in ProRes there. This is insane. This is a game changer to have a portable setup for creating these videos. My previous videos I usually filmed with the Sony A1, but today I got an iPhone, yesterday. Today I was filming with the iPhone, a lot of content outside. So I thought like, okay, maybe you should know how to copy the files properly, also with renaming and everything, the file size. So this is a quick tutorial. I want to show you how you should organize your files, not to get some problems at the end. Okay, let's come first to the renaming. How do we rename the files? I use Name Mangler, which is pretty amazing. So I want to show you now how I usually organize my footage here. I was out for shooting for tutorial. I have a bunch of different footage from the Sony A1, from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, from my Ninja 5 monitor and my Insta360. So basically what I'm doing is going through the files. I know this is from the camera, then I open Name Mangler and then I copy the files in, because what I'm doing is I don't want to have these files how they are named from the camera, because if you have multiple files, the problem is they are repeating. So that's why I'm renaming them always with the shooting day, which camera it is. So in this case it's the A1. So then I press on rename and you see all is renamed. Then I use the other files, which is recording from the X3, and then I press rename. And this way you stay really organized and everything is in order. You not miss any shots and you know from the file exactly what it is, what is the shooting day, and then you rename everything and you will not have duplicate clips with the same file name. So yeah, I just want to show you how I do this quickly, because I see a lot of people not renaming properly and using the files how they are out of the camera, and you can have some issues. So with Name Mangler, it's very amazing tool to just rename very quickly. The Insta360 stuff I not rename because they have unique names, and there's also the day. So this way I organize all my files. I hope I could help you with this. It is so fast, so easy. It is so important to do this because some cameras port repeatedly the same number of camera files after 10,000 files. So this way you don't have a duplicate. So I'm always renaming it with the date, then which camera and what it is about. Like this tutorial here right now. So after this, the most important app, as you want to copy your files from your iPhone to the computer, is, yes, you can use AirDrop. You can also plug it in via USB-C. But for me, over the last 5-6 years, I'm using PhotoSync, because what it does automatically when you go home in your Wi-Fi, it synchronizes the latest photos to your hard drive. And so this way you have a backup on your iCloud, on your phone, but then also on your hard drive. So once you're on your hard drive, you can use this for editing, like it's special for right now. These videos, they're quite big. I mean, here I use the SSD so I can plug it in, but the other files, I want to copy them on my SSD. So with PhotoSync, it's synchronized over Wi-Fi. It is super fast. I do this all the time. And this way I have a backup and have the original files on my computer, which I can use then for editing and everything else. So please check this out. It's really amazing, this tool. Okay guys, this was this quick tutorial. I hope you like it and I hope I could give you some value. If you want to have more of these quick videos, please let me know, and maybe I should do more videos filming with the iPhone, because it's really incredible. Let me switch to the wide angle mode. It is insane. So this is right now the wide angle mode. I set up some lights here and it's pretty good. Like, I really love the new iPhone Pro Max, and filming in ProRes lock, it is a dream. Also, one amazing thing, I have a monitor here plugged in right now and it holds. I can see myself on the monitor. I record with this microphone. I have power on and the SSD is recording. This is crazy. Like this USB-C is powerful, like everyone else saying is not powerful, should be 40 megabits or whatever. It's like, it works with SSD, with monitoring. I have it here, in lock, and the microphone on it. And it's a freaking dongle. I will show you, it's insane. It's really I love it. I love gears. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about and how do you like it? So see you in the next video. Peace.